Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You've plugged the mic into your interface and opened Logic Pro. Now create an audio track and set its input to the mic channel. Make sure phantom power is on for condensers, otherwise skip it. You should enable record enable and input monitoring so you hear yourself through headphones. Once you see signal on the channel meter, adjust the preamp gain on the interface to hit peaks around -6 dB. This avoids clipping while leaving headroom for mixing later. Now you optimize the microphone chain so recordings are clean and usable. Apply a low-cut filter on the track to remove rumble and engage a pad if the source is loud. This prevents distortion. Then open Logic Preferences Audio and confirm sample rate and buffer size. Lower buffer for tracking, higher for mixing. Route the track to master or an aux bus if you want dedicated effects. Once done, add a light compressor or EQ. You're ready to record. Do a brief test take and inspect the waveform for clipping, latency, or unwanted noise. If it sounds good, record your full take and save often. Label and stack takes for easy comping later. Make sure you're using headphones to avoid bleed. If nothing is recorded, verify cables, interface power, and phantom supply. Also confirm Logic's audio input is set to the correct device and that the track is record-enabled. Finally, restart Logic or the interface if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.